Hi yoga friends, this is Erica from Empress Yoga and I have with me today what? Nico here with me because we are going to show you how to make a burrito. So we're going to be doing some cooking today.
I said Nico.
Yes, you did. I know. All right. So the most important thing is that your child needs to be at the end of the mat and their head needs to be above the mat. So make sure that, yes, the shoulders are level with the edge of the mat, the shoulders. Keep your hands tight at your sides. We want to roll them up without their elbows getting all bent up, and it will hurt when they roll. So make sure they keep their hands at their sides. All right, then you begin to roll them up. So you just take the mat and you start to roll.
You have to put on the ingredients.
I will in a minute. First, I'm gonna roll them up nice and tight here. There we go. Wow, here we go, rolling them up. All right, then you can add your ingredients. So it depends what you're making. So I'm making a burrito, and I like to put a breakfast burrito. Okay, so I like a lot of cheese on my breakfast burrito. So you want to put a lot of cheese. Make sure to sprinkle some everywhere, especially the feet. You want to sprinkle a lot of cheese on the feet. And then I like olives with my breakfast burrito, so I'm going to put some olives. Then I like to also add salsa. I'm going to put just some glops of salsa on. I'm going to put a big glop on your head. How about some sour cream? Yeah? Okay. I'm going to scoop some sour cream in there. I'm going to shove some sour cream down in there. Yeah, I'm going to shove some sour cream down there. And then some guacamole. Guacamole is always good, pretty much on any kind of burrito. So let's take some big scoops of guacamole.
You have to roll me up all the way.
All the way. Oh, there's a tiny bit of mat not rolled up, but I don't want you to be face down. All right. Now he's totally rolled up. All right, and then you can eat your burrito. And then after you're done eating, you can either help your child get started. If they're older, they can roll out on their own, but you can just unroll them a little bit and they can do the rest. So keep rolling, show them how to roll out. Oh, it's a heavy mat, so maybe I'm using like my heaviest mat that I have. There we go, yay!
Now,
And that's how you make a burrito.